So I'm at the hostel now. What happened was I had to get off a stop before mine. So I had to download the app. I had to check how to get from the bus station to my hostel, which took 30 minutes. But anyway, I got here and it seems cool so far. Every floor has their own kitchen, and then there's a big kitchen downstairs with the breakfast in the morning. I got my socks on because I don't have any clothes and I'm cold. I'm just walking around doing a little bit of sightseeing. It's a bit cold. Right now it's about 5 degrees. Why is the city so pretty? When I got here last night in the beginning of this morning, it just reminded me a bit about the Athens and Amsterdam, because long streets and in the outskirts of town. I actually really like it. Kind of have the Christmas vibe. I don't know, it's just something in there. They're prepping for the Christmas market. I won't say magical, but yeah, it's pretty. I'm just roaming around the castle grounds, and it's like a small city in the city. It has its own stores and everything. I really like Budapest.
What about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me.
I thought I'd finally find somewhere with no one, but I'm here again. These do not look clean. I swear I took them clean. It's very pretty. I was up at the castle ground, which is my favorite thing. I absolutely love the castle ground. I was too scared to ask someone to take a photo of me. But I think I'll go back up here again, hopefully if there's better weather. Yeah, it's quite cold. I think the sun is starting to set soon. It's slowly the lights are starting to come on in the city. You can see over it. It's so pretty. I absolutely love Cathedral or whatever it is. I'm so obsessed with it because it looks so pretty. I don't have any cash. Since they have their own currency here. Anyways, I need to go do that because I think I ate a bit too much for breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna head back. It's 40 minutes walk, but we're gonna do great. Last night because once I was updating my Instagram, just my stories, and two, there were people out here in the kitchen until 11. causing a ruckus. I mean, it's a hostel, but still. I was barely able to wake up by my alarm. It wasn't even like, oh, it's hard to get out of bed. Like, I barely woke up. Now I'm going to shower, and then I'm actually checking out today, and then checking in the same hostel. So I need to pack my stuff again. I just checked into my new room. I did 2 separate bookings because they didn't have one room available for the entire time I wanted to stay here in Budapest. So I did 2 separate bookings. I was just using the time between 11 and 2 because the checkout is at 11 and the check-in is at 2. And I studied a bit, I handed in my assignments. New room, which is at the same floor as my last one. This one is like way better. I mean, it got 6 beds. So this is my bed. These are like way better quality than the other room. Like it's on the same floor. We share the same kitchen. These lockers that you can pull out and store your things in, which the other one didn't. They just had like the box storage. And the view. I mean, the price was kind of the same. Actually, I think this was cheaper. I'm going to that really pretty place, the Parliament building. I'm so excited because it's so pretty. Anyways. It's a bit cold. I am exploring the city park today. I've been just talking with my mom on the phone for like the past hour. Then I had to hang up because I couldn't find the thermal bath thing because like the architecture is supposed to be pretty or whatever. I was like completely wrong direction. I feel like I'm slowly getting used to the cold a little bit at least. I still have my sockies. Originally, I was rushing up to the castle ground to see the sunset, but the night views from here, absolutely stunning. Like, it does not disappoint. I saw that the clouds were clearing up a bit, so I was like, I have to see the sunset. My feet hurt. Like, I don't know if I can show you. Like right here. I don't know. I'm a bit dizzy. I didn't feel great waking up today. Like I had a headache, I was a bit nauseous, I was dizzy. So I was trying to drink a lot of water, trying to rest a bit more. It's like 1 p.m. But it's sunny outside, so like I really want to go outside. I'm just going for a short walk. It's not very far, and then tonight I'll go to the Christmas market. That is the plan. Imagine my shock when I wake up and it's 8 degrees outside. 8 degrees. I mean, I don't want to be dramatic, but it's basically summer here again. Market a bit. I'm going back there to look at some more stalls. I ended up going to the river anyway. And I just, looked around at all these things because they're so pretty. And today's my last full day here, which is so sad because I don't want to go, but I kind of have to, so. I'm sitting here eating now after literally like a breakdown. I found a rash on my leg, so I started panicking and that spiraled thinking I was gonna die. And now I'm sitting here eating. It's like 3 and I'm leaving at about 5, so I still have time. The second one from the bottom, EN 406 Warsaw. That's my train. The thing is, it had a different, it's EN 406 on the app. It said IC and then 406, and it was gonna go 11:10, and then I couldn't find it on the boards. I like low-key panicked. I was looking up things and I was like, oh no, and then I was looking up this one because I saw there's another one that goes like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm like literally shivering. Then I was like, oh, but then I have to buy a reservation for that one, and the reservations were closed, and I was like, I won't be able to get to Krakow, and I was like, well, what do I do? And then I see, because I've been looking around for like anyone who works there can like help me. At that time, I see them, 3 of them, and they help me. And they say it's the same train, so I can just take this one.